Marq, your journey, your life is best told through victories. They're reserved for just a chosen few, but it's something that you've always done. You've won right from the start. You've won against all of the odds.
Marq Marquez wins an absolute stunner here in Assen.
You've won when fighting against the greatest.
Oh, and then Marquez goes through on the inside of the corkscrew.
Marquez is back up the inside.
Oh.
There's nowhere for Lorenzo to go. Classic victory here at Silverstone.
You've won in every condition imaginable. You've won to set records. You've won when overcoming insurmountable adversity. You've won by fighting through the pain.
Marq Marquez wins! It is heaven for Marq Marquez. Can you believe it? What a moment in history. What a sporting story.
You've won with your family, always by your side. But this is different. It means more than the rest. It makes all of the pain, all of the suffering, finally worthwhile. It required a move that I'm sure you never thought was possible. It forced you to take a step into the unknown. It made you change. You've never had to wait this long to have that unique feeling rush over you again. And because of that, because of everything, this isn't just another victory. This is where everything starts again.